Back to the 10x gain show. Let's get right into another one. Today is Saturday, November 29th. XRP it's actually not at 222, it's at 220. Take a look at the charts. XRP is at 220. Let's dive right into it, guys. It is Saturday, the Saturday after Thanksgiving. We got December 1st coming up on Monday in about 2 days here, the start of a new month, which means tomorrow we have a weekly and a monthly candle closing. So let's dive right into the charts. Wow, brutal month for October, and here we are, November, coming out to be another red month. We've been having downward movement for these monthly candles, really ever since July. August started the downtrend. So can we get a green month coming in December? We will see. We are having a green week. The weekly will be closing tomorrow, but nothing that is breaking out of this downtrend. Nothing significant at all. We're going to have to see a major push up in the week ahead, the next couple weeks ahead. Looking at the daily, let's zoom in a little bit. We are just consolidating downwards, although the daily close that we got on Friday was not good. You can see this higher wick to the upside with the candle body closing lower. And then although we did have a green day today, Saturday, this candle here does not look very good. We were kind of consolidating sideways and we closed below. And when you look at the 4-hour here, it almost looks like a double top and a potential movement back down potentially to the 208 range. So guys, just be cautious. Be careful here because we could get a move back down before we see a move up. As you can see, we're kind of trading in the middle of a couple of zones here. You have, of course, this level right here at 216. You might even be able to pull that down a little bit to 215. But however you look at it, 215 to 216 is going to be temporary support right now in the immediate short term, with resistance at 227. We have more of a macro resistance up here at 230 and more of a macro support at 208 and then $2 and then $1.97. So we'll have to see what happens. We're kind of trading in the middle of this range, bouncing between 215 and 227 for a couple days now, since about November 25th. So it's been about 4 days. We're on our 5th day of trading in this range. It's either are we going to move up from here or break down to the $2 ranges. That is the question to look out for. Here we have XRP has formed a bullish cross on its weekly stock RSI indicator while sitting in oversold territory. The last two major bullish cross points in 2025 led to a 600% and a 130% move up. Is a pump awaiting on the horizon. Very, very, very well could be a pump waiting on the horizon, guys. Where on the weekly time frame, yes, we are getting that cross on the stochastic. These are the crosses he was showing right here, where we got this 100% move up, this 600% move up here, and then we're getting the cross again. So could we see a move up on the weekly? We'll have to see what happens. Here we got from Mr. Poole, December 1st, 2024. We got a 1-year delta coming in at last, backwards. So could this be something quite big for the price of XRP, as we have just in 21 shares XRP spot ETF is officially launching Monday, 12/1, December 1st. Current XRP ETFs already live, all these here. So we got another ETF coming in, launching on Monday, which is great. More exposure to XRP, more institutional inflows, more XRP leaving exchanges. Great for the price. The Fed calls an urgent meeting. They may be cutting rates. The odds of a rate cut shot up tremendously. Guys, just remember here, if the infrastructure for the new financial system had not been ready, David Schwartz would not have left his position as Chief Technology Officer at Ripple. So, you know, David Schwartz did step down in the summertime. Everything is ready to go. The movement, the transition of the financial system, integrating the XRP ledger, will be happening very, very soon. Whether that's months, whether that's a year, whether that's a couple years, 2, 3 years. Guys, the timing of such a massive, massive transition is literally right around the corner. We're going to see this happen. We're going to reap the fruits of our labors, the fruits of the harvest of XRP. Many of you don't understand that XRP is the new rail system for world banking. You have no idea that it will open the door to deep rural private property and debt-free life. You will see. That'll be happening soon. Here's one from Charting Guy. XRP long year reaccumulation, testing everyone's patience, and the majority is folding under pressure. Now, this is a massive, massive Wyckoff accumulation, which shows that really XRP wouldn't be having a major move up in price pretty much until May of next year, getting all the way up to almost $8. So we'll have to see if this actually plays out or not. It does look quite similar to the Wyckoff distribution scheme, where you have all these different levels, but some of them aren't perfect, I'll say. This phase here, though, the creek, as we kind of consolidate downwards, and the spring actually breaks the support here and goes farther down. It does look like we could be following this reaccumulation phase. And XRP year long, this makes total sense. A year, well, we're past a year now. Over a year long, it's going to be about a 16-month accumulation phase if this actually does play out. And then actually into from December moving into January and up into February, getting that move back to 250. I don't know, you know, could we see that? Possibly. Possibly. Basically saying that this is the creek here, which looks like we kind of moved below it. But however way you look at it, this is and this is on the 2-day, but however way you look at it, guys, this could be playing out, which means we could just be going sideways, getting a lot of fake outs. We could, in the immediate short term, come right back up to around 247 and then crash back down to $1.70 and then go up gradually over a month or two to 250 and then gradually down back to $1.95 and then get that move up to the previous all-time high and then explode off. So this is valid. This is possible. It's going to be a lot longer than any of us expected. I mean, this could take another 6 months from where we are. But guys, the whole point is, you know what you hold. Just hold on to it. It's going to explode. It's going to move up rapidly when it does. I appreciate every single one of you guys tuning in, subscribing to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Till next time.